You know, let me hold this gun, I beg. I want to go and shit inside the bush. I'm coming back. Just
Okay,
wait for me. I'm coming back now. Wait, no problem.
That Nigeria is.
Drop your gun. I said drop your gun. Raise it with your hand. Raise it up. You are under arrest.
Did I give you anything? Officer, please hold it very well. So now you people the thief for this year, abi? You never hear.
Hamster, where can they come from with bag and gun now?
So you never hear anything. I don't become a soldier man now.
You what?
So I just come back from the training now.
Just like that?
Yes, now they gave us like a 1 week leave that we should go for leave. So I'm going to spend my own leave now.
Your own better.
You know what? Let me hold this gun, I beg. I want to go and shit inside the bush. I'm coming back. Just
Okay,
wait for me. I'm coming back now. Wait, no problem.
Shoot fast, so I've never sabi hold gun, no. Hamster. Now, wow, make this guy quick come collect this gun. Where they go?
We realize the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is.
Drop your gun. I said drop your gun. Raise it with your hand. Raise it up. You are under arrest.
What can I do now? What can I do, Oga? I don't know now.
We are from Federal South of Nigeria. We're under arrest.
I've been running here and there since morning. So this is where we are going.
Get an information now that some boys rob and bank now. Yeah, yeah, tell us you are not a criminal. If you are not a criminal, what are you doing with a gun?
Sir, it's my guy. Your wage just return from
Be quiet.
Sorry, sir.
Where is the money you thief?
I'm not be thief.
I said where is the money?
I'm not be thief.
You are not a thief. So what are you doing with the gun?
Now my guy give me this gun, say make a hole for him.
Will you keep quiet?
He train from soldier.
Call him, come.
Hamster.
This man.
Yes.
Stand
there.
Stand one side.
Never reach like that now.
So will you keep quiet? Stand here. What?
Hamster. Abeg go come.
We will see today.
Thank God say he done the call. Yes. He done the.
You are a failure. You can never.
Abeg, come tell them say now you give me this gun. Come tell them make them leave me.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise?
Did I give you anything? Officer, please hold it very well. So now you people the thief for this year, abi? Now you the thief for this street. Now Thunder go fire you. Officer is a thief, he's a criminal. Hold it very well. I don't know you.
Are you mad? You are a criminal. See, you will rot in jail. Hear me what? You will rot in jail.
Our people are only qualified to buy pipelines. They say, sorry, but we hope another day keep saying left.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to M-Star Comedy TV on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to M-Star Comedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment videos. Thank you very much.